nongilam kaliang persya u Dr. MUKUL sangma ula pla bu LEIT kro u Dr. DONKUPAR bu unyaso syaka seng kongres shwa ke election arjar khatpra ndrei na kaliang jung Dr. DONKUPAR roy ula kantai habakran ha kajingle buram khadu u Dr. DONKUPAR roy dekhar hamaupun seora u Dr. MUKUL ulong bahaswa ke election arjar khatpra haba ula LEIT ban TYRWA bu unrung no syaka national party ka kongres ndrei Dr. DONKUPAR roy ular khe bat ulong ka kham ban penyaj ka party ban ya ka sarkar kane ka pen ke jinglong scam jong ka nongrem kum unong ilam pajba u Dr. MUKUL ula beteng biang ban pen kan mawe ka jing scam nongrem u Dr. DONKUPAR bom jukwa ban pen kelas sarkar tang nakadaw ka politics ndrei uperkhat ya ka jela bad ka roy ka par u Dr. MUKUL ula yathu ru bahadien ka election arjar khatpra ula LEIT ban TYRWA ban ya thau sarkar lang ndrei u Dr. DONKUPAR ulong bahapo kane ka jinglong jingman kasan perthai hakari baraka jela umsngau dei namar baka UDP ka job duna palat bat ulayathu ba ularai ban IT no ha ka NPP ban yalam ya ka sarkar Dr. MUKUL ulong baka wei ka ba ulalap ka jinglong jong Dr. DONKUPAR kalong ba uie gi pajba ba ka jela khamtam ki aka ba jukwa ban ya penhiar keput ndre yalade ulaya kendu ban sya keput haki wei.
We are here today to give our last respect to our beloved comrade, our friend, and a great leader. A leader who put people before everything else, put the state before everything else, and who always remembered about the agonies of the people, the sufferings of the people, and his commitment to join politics in order to serve them. We have a number of similarities when we talk about the people and the area which we both represented. So I joined him in service of the people in 1993. He was ahead of me in his innings, and he got his innings started in 1988. I remember when in 1993 joined him as a number of independent MLAs were elected then. And on a number of occasions, as a colleague and comrade in the government, he was there to balance and caution me. And in course of my privilege of working together with him, I have been enriched. I must tell you today that his sudden and unexpected demise is lost to everyone. But personally, for a colleague who had longer innings with him together than many of us who are present here today, you can well understand. We had a number of decisions that we took together, number of decisions which were required to be taken to address the concerns of the state, confronting the state. And when we had certain amount of confusion or lack of clarity in taking a decision, he would always caution, wait, decide later on. Though we were together in the government, we were a little different. I was more outspoken, and we all know that he used to be man of few words.